A lot of students ask me, ma'am, how do I stay consistent? How do I make sure that I'm consistent for an extended period of time? Sometimes I have motivation, sometimes I don't have motivation. So how do I work around this kind of inconsistency? So here are my tips to stay consistent in your CAT preparation. The first tip to staying consistent in your CAT preparation is to have 3 goals. A lot of times, the reason why we fail is that we try to be too ambitious in our plan for the day. Even when I write down my daily plan, I put 5 things, 7 things, 10 things. The problem with that is that none of those 7 things will be achieved. Because if you go too broad, if your focus is not narrow enough, it becomes difficult for you to achieve those goals. So always define and limit yourself to 3 goals every single day. If you are preparing for CAT, I would say that your 3 goals should be: firstly, complete your Crackoos daily batch task. That should be the most important goal for the day. The second goal should be to attempt the daily targets in all 3 sections. The third goal for the day should be to attend the live class at 8 o'clock. These are the simple 3 goals that you should follow on a weekday. On a weekend, your goal should be taking a mock, analyzing the mock, and taking study room tests from targeted weak areas. Basically, your entire weekend should revolve around mocks, analysis, and targeted preparation. The second way to stay consistent is to win the morning. So this is a concept that I'm borrowing from fitness. So in fitness, a lot of people say that if you exercise early in the morning, because you have already exercised early in the morning, you will eat right for the rest of the day. You will do everything right after that point of time. So I would borrow that idea from fitness and I'll put it over here. Basically, I want you to win the morning in CAT preparation. A lot of students who are full-time students or who are also working along with their CAT preparation do not find time to actually prepare for CAT. But that can change if you win the morning. Wake up early, wake up at 6 a.m. every single day and do the hardest task right then and there at 6 a.m. If you do the toughest things early in the morning, you will feel that you have already gotten the most important thing and the toughest thing out of the way. You will remain consistent for the rest of the tasks also. The third tip to staying consistent is to maintain a consistency streak. This comes from an anecdote about Jerry Seinfeld. So somebody asked him that how do you stay consistent with writing jokes? Because it's a creative process, you can fall really behind in writing jokes. So he says that every single day my target is to write 1 joke. And if I write that joke, I put a cross on a calendar. And I try to make that length of the crosses that I have, the continuous streak of crosses, as long as possible. Any day I'm not able to write a single joke, that consistency breaks, that streak breaks. And I'm very, very attached to that streak. If it has gone on for like 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, I feel very motivated to keep that streak going as much as possible. So his motivation comes from the length of the streak. Similarly, what I would suggest is keep that calendar streak in front of you. Keep that calendar, and every single day that you accomplish the 3 things that you set out to do, put a cross on that calendar. You will start seeing those crosses line up. Once you complete 1 week, second week, you will start feeling more invested in this streak. You would not want that streak to end. Particularly if you have gone say 40 days. We see that a lot with students who take daily target. There are people who do daily target for 50 days, 60 days. They are very invested in their daily target. Similarly, if you see that calendar streak going continuously, you will also be mentally, emotionally invested in staying consistent. So these are my 3 tips on how to stay consistent in your CAT preparation.